Hello all, I'm Dr. Veena Dhari, Professor in Computer Science Engineering. I'm the tutor of this course Python Introduction. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate which modules we are going to cover in this Python Introduction course. So in this course, we are going to cover Anaconda Navigator installation, how to install Anaconda Navigator, and what are the different Python editors, Jupyter and Spider, and one more editor. And especially we are focusing on Jupyter Notebook interface in this module, in this course, and different data types in Python, and what is list in Python, and what are the tuples in Python, dictionaries in Python, how to use strings in Python, and numpys in Python. These are the course contents we are going to cover in this course. So course objectives, why we need to learn Python. So to understand why Python is very useful scripting language for developers, why it is very important scripting language, and every developer loves to do program in Python, and to learn how to write and simple Python programs, and to learn how to use lists, tuples, and dictionaries in Python programming. So these are the course objectives. After this course, you will be able to write small programs, simple Python programs, and you can able to use lists, tuples, and dictionaries and numpys in Python programming. And one more thing we need to say, why to learn Python? What is the importance of Python? After learning this course, what you gain? So why we need to learn the Python? So Python is free, simple to learn. This is the first point. Its primary feature, it is a high level and dynamically typed and interpreted language. So what does it mean? Interpreting. Why we use interpreting? Interpreting means this makes debugging of errors is easy and encourages the rapid development of application programs. This is the one important thing you need to learn, why we need to learn Python. And Python supports cross-platform operating system also, which makes building applications with more convenience. We can build the applications. And some of the globally known applications such as YouTube, BitTorrent, Dropbox, they are all using the Python to achieve their functionality. Okay, this is the main objective. Why we need to learn the Python. And some of the important applications of Python. So first application is web development. So in web development, Python basically with its framework, you can easily develop user-friendly websites. This is the one most application. And the second application is game development. So Python is also used to develop interactive games, that is 3D games we can also develop easily. So one of the most important game that was developed in Python is Disney's Toontown online. This is a 3D game, which is very famous. So in game development, 3D game development also Python plays important role. And machine learning and artificial intelligence, which is a very the talk of the town now. So they yield the most programming careers in the future. This is with machine learning and artificial intelligence. So in this field, also using those algorithms, we can to develop those algorithms we can implement in Python. And one of the most data is the money, how to extract the relevant information from data. So in websites, a lot of data is available now. If you know how to extract the information, use the data, so then we can make very good information, relevant information, and predict the information using that data. So data science and the data visualization, for these subjects also we are using the data Python as a important language. And last application is that is web scraping. So web scraping is that is, Python is a savior when it comes to pull a large amount of data from a websites. It can be helpful to various real world processes such as price comparison and job listings, research and development in this web scraping. If you are using the large data from the websites, that is called web scraping. In web scraping applications also, Python plays important role. Okay, after this Python, learning the Python, you can become a junior data scientist and data engineer also you can become. So these are some job roles we can use with the Python after learning the Python. So that's all. We will see you in the next video for the next application. Okay, bye-bye. See you.